Hello, my name is Jody Royee, and I'll be teaching a class called Your Worthy Ideal. Given the evidence in the cosmos and the nature of God's presence everywhere, it's never been easier to be enlightened. This is a very worthy ideal, enlightenment. It doesn't require good looks, or a perfect horoscope, or special lineage, or confidence and charisma, or charm. It's a very simple matter when one cuts through all the smoke and mirrors of illusion. But cutting through that smoke can be the hardest part. In fact, if you have yet to experience yourself as enlightened at the level you really want to be, it's likely it has nothing to do with you. Given the shell game of strategies and misinformation out there, it's a wonder we're able to understand each other, much less be enlightened. If the ages of jargon, philosophies, and religion have left you more confused than empowered, take a deep breath and relax. We are about to take aim at this confusion, blow away the smoke, and make things as childlike as possible. In fact, we will simplify enlightenment into a sentence that even a child could understand. And with the words of the sentence, we will work miracles. If your worthy ideal is to allow for more of your own unique expression of enlightenment, then join me. The door is open to explore. You're free to choose. Join me live or watch the recording afterwards on the YouTube channel, Your Worthy Ideal, where we discuss enlightenment on many dimensions.